Welcome to Fast Tip Friday. This is Amy Bowser-Rollins with Litigation Support Guru. In today's tip, I want to share with you a feature of the iConvert 2015 tool. So iPro at one point combined their iConvert and iConvert Plus tools that are totally free into a single iConvert 2015. And the feature that I want to talk about today is the electronic file reporting that lets you point the software to ESI and then get a report. Another feature of the software is to convert load files from one format to another, but we'll cover that in a different video. Okay, so this is where you can go to download the software. You can basically do a Google search for iConvert 2015 and you'll find this page. It's totally free. Okay, so I have a folder here of subfolders, and each of the subfolders contains a PST. So I'm in the iConvert 2015 software, and I've already chosen electronic file report, and I've already browsed to that folder I just showed you. So by default, it checks off include subdirectories, and that's what we want in this case, so that's good. You also have this option to calculate the size of the attachments that it finds, so email attachments, so we definitely want to do that. Okay, so once you point it to the data and check off that box, you can click report. It runs through the files, and now you can see that you have a report of how many files, PSTs, how many messages, how many attachments, and the total size. And then down here, it breaks it down by file type and gives you the total count and the size because we asked for it. Okay, so this report, you can save it as an Excel, which is it's okay looking, and then the PDF version. So the PDF version looks pretty nice if you want to send that off to an attorney after you run it. Okay. So there's also these reports down here. You can save summary report and save file list report. Summary report is basically the same thing I just showed you in a CSV format. So it's if you need that kind of version, you can have it. And then the file list report is actually pretty helpful because it actually lists the names of the attachments that it found. So if you click save, it'll generate these reports. I've already generated them for you. So here's the CSV version. It's basically the same as the other version in PDF, only it's in a CSV. So if you need to manipulate it in Excel, you can. And then the text file is pretty cool because here's the first line is the name of the PST, and then underneath that is each of the attachments that it found. Here's the name of them, and then the folder that it was in. So inbox, deleted items, sent items, and then if I scroll down, you'll see, so that's all bill wrap. And then it starts with the new PST right here. This is John Forney's PST, and then all of his attachments. And it lists the sizes at the end. But I think being able to have a list that's searchable of all the email attachments is very helpful. Okay? So there's not much else to this software in terms of this functionality, but I wanted you to know that it exists in case you have a folder of ESI, no matter what file types, including PSTs. Then you can run this report real quick and give the attorney some feedback right away. Okay? Hope we can put this tip to good use.